Horizontal filtering toolbars may seem like a space-saving solution, but are they really user-friendly? Testing reveals their hidden flaws, especially when users face too many filter types. Let's dive into the details. Hi, I'm Christian Holst, co-founder of Baymard Institute, and today I'm presenting guideline number 2584 of Baymard's large-scale usability test findings. Be cautious if implementing horizontal filtering toolbars. Horizontal filtering toolbars can free up space for larger thumbnails. This can benefit visually driven products, but our testing found no clear advantage over sidebar filtering. While horizontal filters are more visible, testing didn't show they increased filter use. Users had no trouble finding filters in traditional sidebars. Horizontal filtering toolbars have limited advantages, but two issues stand out. First, it's harder to see all filter options at once. Second, they don't work well with more than 6 to 8 filter types. The main issue with horizontal filtering toolbars is that filter options aren't visible by default, requiring users to click to see them. For example, on Wayfair, users browsing rugs won't know if their preferred colors are available without extra steps. Another issue with horizontal toolbars arises when there are too many filters. While they work well with up to 8 filters, adding more often requires extra rows or buttons. In testing, some users miss these buttons entirely or notice them only after interacting with the visible filters. Horizontal filtering toolbars have pros and cons. They work well with a small number of filters, but sidebar filtering is a familiar and effective option. Regardless of the interface, offering the right filters and following key guidelines ensures users can easily manage product lists and search results. These were some of the highlights from our research findings. We have much more detailed information on optimizing your filtering interface, including over 80 product list guidelines in our research catalog. Go to baymard.com/research to learn more.